Imagine being told you have less than an hour before slipping into a diabetic coma. That was the reality for David Miller, whose blood sugar hit a staggering 492. But what happened next defied all expectations. Through a forgotten Indonesian ritual, he discovered a natural method that reversed his type 2 diabetes in weeks. This wasn't about cutting carbs or injecting insulin. It was about eliminating a toxic molecule buried deep in the pancreas. Scientific research now confirms that this molecule disrupts the body's ability to regulate blood sugar, causing the symptoms we associate with diabetes. But the ritual, practiced for generations by villagers who never developed type 2 diabetes, flushes this molecule out and restores metabolic balance. David's journey led him to uncover a billion-dollar deception by the diabetes industry. He learned that the real cause of diabetes isn't sugar or genetics, it's this hidden molecule, and once removed, the body begins to heal. His blood sugar dropped from 492 to 114. He lost 32 pounds, regained his energy, and restored his intimate life. Thousands have followed his path. Betty, Tim, Dorothy, people from all walks of life, have seen their lives transformed. No more fatigue, no more pain, no more fear, just freedom. This breakthrough is now available to anyone willing to challenge the status quo. It's safe, simple, and works regardless of age or how long you've had diabetes. The Indonesian ritual is your key to unlocking a healthier future. Despite what you've been told, your uncontrolled blood sugar and stubborn fat have nothing to do with sweets or carbs. It's not your genes or your age. It's the toxic molecule hiding in your pancreas, and now you can flush it out naturally. Betty Crane, a 52-year-old bookkeeper, saw her blood sugar normalize in weeks. "I feel like $1 million," she said. "It's like a fog has lifted. I'm not tired anymore. I'm happy. I'm not hungry all the time." Tim Gannon, a retired doctor, verified the research and tried the ritual. "I feel like a new man," he said. "I danced at my daughter's wedding." Dorothy Howell thought she'd never escape type 2 diabetes. Now her readings are like in her youth. "This method is incredible," she said. "This isn't folklore. It's a documented breakthrough backed by independent studies. Over 160,000 people have used it. No needles, no diets, no gym, just results. So if you're ready to break free from the nightmare of type 2 diabetes, the answer is here. The Indonesian ritual is simple, effective, and proven. You don't need to suffer anymore. Link in video description.